Hey everybody, today we're going to review this SENDOW car camcorder that I bought off of Amazon. I needed something for my wife's car and this seemed like the best bet. She didn't want anything funky looking and looking like a camera on the side, and she wanted something that was easy and displayable or anything like that because she's really particular. And this one stood out because it's a rear view mirror and camcorder, so it seemed like a good deal. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Right off the bat, the box was well built, so you know that they put some thought in how they put the box together. Let's open up the other packages. So a little bit organizing, but makes sense. So this is the car 12 volt adapter. You plug this into your 12 volt adapter and this goes to the back or on the side of this rear view mirror. These are basically mounts to go on top of the old mirror and onto the new one. So it replaces the rear view mirror or fits on top of it. This is a 12 volt wire that goes into the camera and connects into this. This is your camera that you can see. As I think these are UV. Yeah, I forgot to read the thing. I think that's what it is. And this is the rear view mirror with the LED inside, so you can see inside. So that's how it looks like. You notice that it's covered in film, so it's protected, so you can take that off when you're ready to use this. The back side, you'll see all this stuff. The camera that points to where you're going. The top is where everything is mounted on. The USB, the AV, and the memory card, SD card. It says TF, I think it's SD card. And the bottom is your remote, on, M, up, down. Okay, I flipped it upside down, but yeah. It looks built like pretty well. These things here are where you mount these. So based on what the size of your mirror, you move this, put this above on top of your mirror, and you mount this onto it. So it's like a band that goes on top of it. So yeah, these are kind of like universal. Okay, I got my 12 volt battery supply or power supply that I have, and I connected to the 12 volts into the 12 volt lighter connector thing. Now I'm gonna connect it into the actual device. So let's do that. And it turns on. It's upside down. And it says insert SD card, so that's okay. See what else we can do. Turn off, on. Okay. So we got the settings. Looks good so far. Let's go with car DVD. Oh, it's touchscreen. Cool. I just realized that. And you can see my finger. It works pretty well. Just can't tell when you look at an angle because it's kind of cool, but it works fairly well. Don't know how the other camera works yet, but that's okay. It looks really good. I just gotta put it in the car now. Or other things. There's another camera that connects to it. Let me go try to plug it in. So the camera comes with this cord. You want to connect it one way. And this goes directly, oh, you need a 12 volt connector. It seems like, let me try. So I plugged in the connector into here without using this connector. I don't know what this connector is for yet, but I'll figure it out. But the camera works fine. I'm gonna take off, you can see it at the top right. So move it around. It's kind of hard to tell because I'm just the screen's kind of glary. I'm trying to turn it down for a bit so you can see things on here. It works fairly well. This is upside down, so I think it's upside down, but it works. It works really well. I like how it looks. Very cool. Definitely a good buy. From the first impression, I had like everything about it. It was simple. It was easy to connect. I wish there was just more documentation because this wire doesn't tell you very much. But I'm assuming this is a power wire. When it's hot, it turns on the whole screen so you can see the rear view camera here. And that should be the case if that's how my intuition works in these electronics. Overall, the camera is good. You can adjust it on the back and you can move it around, and so you can angle it once you mount this. There's a lot of controls here. I didn't go through all of them, but I really need to put it in and look for an online manual if anything. The connections are easy to read. This is TF card. I figured I looked it up, and it says it's just basically a SD card. AV was just the connector to the camera. USB was kind of straightforward. So easy to connect, really straightforward. You just mount this onto your rear mirror, and then there you go, put everything connected. Yeah, there's a lot of wiring. It might be cumbersome for some people, but it comes with the price in terms of how it just add on, and you'll find similar products in a similar situation. So overall, definitely a good buy. Lots of things that connect to this, lots of cameras, works well. I just want to have some usage on this before I do an update, so I'm gonna add this to my car and make an update video later on. Other than that, a very good first impression. I like the camera feature. The video quality is good. It seems seamless, and the rear camera is seamless. Definitely good buy. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.